Clay County is one of the fastest growing counties in Florida, and this growth is being fueled by the construction of the First Coast Expressway. The Florida Department of Transportation has committed $1.9 billion to construct the First Coast Expressway. When complete, the expressway will connect I-10 in Duval County to I-95 in St. Johns County, while passing directly through the heart of Clay County. The project includes the new 4-lane Shands Bridge with a 65-foot height restriction, which will mirror the height restriction of the Buckman Bridge to the north. This will allow greater maritime traffic into Putnam County to our south. There will be an enhanced pedestrian and bike traffic path across the new Shands Bridge. The end caps of the current Shands Bridge will be saved and used for pier fishing and recreation on each side of the St. Johns. The 7 new interchanges are being constructed, and each one is driving tremendous development activity around.